I wanted to take a quick second to talk about how to effectively use your web browser. So in this case, I'm using Google Chrome because that's the one that I like the best, but you may be using a different browser. The concepts of how to organize your bookmarks, which is what I'm going to talk about, are consistent across different web browsers. So first, you're going to see up here, I have a series of bookmarks that I use very often at the top. Things like a folder which has all the advising information that I need to access on a regular basis, or PLU Sakai or PLU's website, and all of that. I also have a program here called Small PDF, and if you don't use it right now, you definitely should. It's a great way to be able to combine your PDFs together or remove certain pages or do various things. It's a great collaboration tool, and it's totally free. So let's say I decided to go to a website that I liked, and I decided that I wanted to bookmark this. So what I would do is I would go up to Bookmarks, and I could just say bookmark this page. Now you'll see a drop-down menu here. I have all these different folders that I can choose from, and I'll show you how to set those up. So I might choose in this series of folders, choose another folder. I might choose useful, just in case my cat actually did have dermatitis, and I would say save. And I don't want their meowtification, so no thanks. So what I could do to see where this is saved is I could go to the bookmark manager. And here's where you see bookmark bar, you see my advising folder, and then you see all of the things that are listed here. But in the other bookmarks, I have various folders. So classes, personal, Dungeons and Dragons, fitness and food, right? Classes, I have various classes that I teach. I have useful things, which is sort of just generally a dump, or interesting, which can just generally be a dump of things. And then research for different shows and whatnot. And how do you set this stuff up? So you go over here to these three marks on the right, and you can say add new folder. Now, if you're in research, which I am right now, and I wanted to add a new show that I was working on, say Kim's Convenience, now it's going to show up as its own folder here. I can go ahead and save things directly to folders. It's much easier for me to find bookmarks. And in the bookmarks bar, if I want to go ahead and set things up, right, let's say I wanted to move my classes folder into my bookmarks bar, there it is. So I just I dragged it right by advising. And now I have a classes bookmark bar, which is going to make it much easier for me to go to different links that I may be wanting to add to the class.